Good morning, brothers and sisters. On our video, this time, I will explain the problem, integer summatio. So I've made here. There are 4 rules that younger siblings can use in the sum of whole numbers. Example that, the first rule IME, a plus b equals a plus b2. The second rule is a plus b equals ab. A plus b is the same thing. ab. The third rule, a plus b. It's the same with ba. Then the fourth rule, a plus b equals. It's the same with ab. As an example, we'll solve for about this with rules, what we explained earlier, brothers. For example, 3 for equals. It uses the first rule. A plus b equals a equals 3. b4. A plus b equals a plus b. The answer is how many sisters? 7, right? Then the b, 3 plus minus for equals. Follow the second rule. A plus b equals ab. Means 3 plus minus for equals. It's the same with 3 to 4. How many brothers and sisters? Yes, the answer. -1. Yaka. The answer is -1. Like this, sisters. Younger siblings have. If the positive means younger siblings have money 3. If the negative means brothers borrow. Yes, I want to borrow 4. Means the brother and sister siblings have debt. Yes, because it borrows 4, you give 3. While this 4 is bigger, you have a debt of 1. That's what the debt is worth, negative. This only applies to sums, This way is an example. This one is negative -3 for equals. A plus b equals. Third rule. ba. Where are the brothers and sisters? b equals 4, so 4 to 3 equals. So it's the same, but the negativity is not included in this third rule. If ba means that the b is bigger compared to a for -3, the negatives don't follow. Means the answer is 1, yes. Okay, 1. Like this, sisters have 3 debts. This negative debt or borrow, while you have money for more of your money. 4. Pay the debt compared to your debt. It means you have 1 money left because you have more money compared to this debt. Negative, it says debt or borrow aloa. You still have 1 more money. The rest of your money, different from the b. You borrow 4. While to pay for it, your money is only 3. Means you have 1 more debt. Yes, this is why it's negative. Well, like that, So this negative, this just happened. Debts pay. Debt pay. This only applies to summation, yes. To make it easier for you to understand, my example is fourth rule, a plus b equals is the same as a, b. Just go straight. That's how much. 3, yes, the negative is still there according to this. Negative a. 3, yes, we make it like that. So easy, sisters. B, which one is it? This one, 4. Result -7. If in everyday life you owe or borrow 3, then borrow a guy because I said earlier that negative is borrowed. Yeah. Borrow or debt. Borrow another 4. Your debt increases to 7. SO7. The debt is negative. If in everyday life, to facilitate understanding, like that, yeah. But this is for just summation, yeah. Well, how much is this? The answer is yes. Negative -5 plus -6. See the fourth rule, or genie. It's easier. Hello, can you account for the negatives earlier? Debt or borrow. Borrow 5 then borrow again 6. Means your loans increase. What about the answer yes? Write in the comments. For those who have just joined this channel, please subscribe. Like, share to your friends, in order for them to get the same information as you guys.